How's it going, guys? Another gardening tip for you today. We are doing some deep watering pipe. We're using CPVC pipes. I'm taking a 5/32 drill bit and we are drilling a hole about every half inch, every inch. I'm turning it a quarter of the way each time, just going all the way through. We'll have a little video for it, but the object is to get the roots to start burying down towards the bottom of whatever you're using to grow them in, whether it be a bucket, a grow bag, raised bed, or in the ground. You don't want them to have surface roots. You want them to stretch down. Basically, what it does is the little drill holes will act as irrigation units with gravity pulling it down and dispersing the water evenly. Well, let's get started, guys. It's really easy. Maybe a 15-20 minute project depending on how many you have to do. Once again, thanks for joining me. This is God Gardening and Guns. Alright, guys, so here's what we're looking at. I went and drilled holes about every inch. I turned it about halfway each time I drilled and just went all the way through. I took a box cutter and shaved off the little pieces here, the little plastic pieces, because nobody wants those in their dirt. Here's the little caps. Like I said, they sell all of this stuff at what are your favorite local Home Depot store. So that way the water or the dirt won't get up into the tube. And they'll just sit like this. Essentially, you can put water in here and you'll be able to make sure you can deep water if needed. Alright, guys, so as you can see, we have the holes drilled in the CPVC pipe. Make sure you get the CPVC pipe because it's food grade. This is what they use for sinks and faucets. All we're going to do is we're going to pick a spot around the edge. I would say about an inch or two in the soil. We're going to use a ball peen hammer and just smack it down in there. Once you start getting less resistance, you know you're towards the bottom of the bag. So now, as you can see, as in this one, we have the deep watering system here with the CPVC pipe, tomato plant, basil. We're good to go. All right, guys, thanks for joining me on God Gardening and Guns.